So it's way overdue for an EDC update. So I'll get straight into it. Actually started a new job last week. It's the perfect job for me. Hours are good, money's good, and I work completely by myself. First day I got shown around, it took 10 minutes and that was it. Left us to it. Nobody checked up on us, nobody bothered us. It was excellent. A week later it's the same thing. Nobody actually checks up on us. So yeah, completely by myself. Perfect job. So that's that. I'm not going to say what I'm doing because I always jinx things when I say what I'm doing or what my plans are for the future and things like that. Always gets jinxed and never happens. So got a new job and I'll just leave it at that. But so I'll start off with headphones. I lost my JLabs, so got Sony's. Also awesome headphones though. Can't complain. They're actually better than the JLabs, but yeah. Got a 1 troy ounce fine copper coin. It's a Mayan calendar. I just got it for something to fidget with in the pocket. Because why not? Got a 1 troy ounce silver coin, which is just that, but in silver. Don't really carry that one though, but yeah. Got a new phone as well, which I'm filming with now. There's a case for it. Japanese theme because I like Japan. Also Japanese. Got a Nagaho Higo no Kami. Same one I've shown 1,000 times. Been carrying these for years on and off. Never had any issues with them. Beautiful knife, I think. Blue paper steel. Bandana. Always carry a bandana. Titanium crouton. And the wallet. I'd rather carry the Trivax Contour, but this is the Dango. I think it's the A1. The only reason why I've got this is because I get paid monthly, but I don't get paid until the 15th of next month, so they give us 6 weeks worth of tickets, which is awesome, bus tickets. So I got like £160 worth of tickets for nothing to last us up until I get my first paycheck, which is excellent. And that ticket doesn't fit in the Contour, so I'll keep the using the Dango until get my first paycheck, and then obviously I'll just pay for the bus with my own money. Got a brand new watch. It's a Seiko automatic dive watch. Goes down to 200 meters. I think it's gorgeous. See a little beating heart there. It's still got the film on it. There you go. Really nice watch. Got a pen. Boca Plus 50 cal in brass. A notepad. Just to write in the rain. And that is my personal EDC. So as far as the bag goes, it's a Maxpedition Fatboy Versapack, I think it's called. I don't carry much for work. The only thing I carry for work is a high vis, and that's it. Don't need a lot. Trying to do street photography as well, because I've got a photography channel, so I'm trying to make videos for that. So I've got a camera, but I've done 5 or 6 videos since the last video that I uploaded on the photography channel, but I never uploaded them because I wasn't happy. The photos are good, but the videos didn't come out how I wanted them to. One of them I gave up on because it was like a 4-hour long video I had to troll through and find out where I was taking the photos so I could edit them into the video to match up with the video. But it was 4-hour long, I had to troll through, so I just gave up on it. Lesson learned, I'll just switch it on when I want to take photos. The only problem is sometimes you get people approaching you, asking you why you're walking on with the camera and what you're doing and that. Sometimes you get accused of taking pictures of people when you haven't. So having the camera on all the time, it proves that you didn't do anything. If there's any physical confrontations, then obviously you can prove that they started it, and that's why I beat the shit out of them. But that's why I mainly want to keep the camera going all the time, but it is annoying having to troll through hours of footage. And I'm very lazy, I can't be bothered with it. Anywho, might have 2 cameras actually, one chest camera doing just that, and then have the camera for the video. Got an old Phoenix LD22. Still working great. Gave a MP600. Got a lens cloth for the camera. And the GoPro Hero 11 Mini Black. And attachment for attaching to the camera, because I don't really like doing the chest camera thing. And then in here, spare battery for the camera. And that's the bag. Got the first aid kit on the back. Cheap pouch is still doing good, Velcro's holding up. Hasn't damaged any more than it did in the last video I showed it in. And I've got the Hero clip by Gearaid. And that's that. Nothing else to show, so thanks for watching.